runner-up, the second runner-up, and the best innovative idea. So Ravi sir, I would like to request you to announce the best innovative idea. Bharat, can you move to the next slide?
Start. Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, can you please tell out the team name along with the title, team number?
Yeah. So the best innovative idea, the team is team number 8080, Alicia. Wherever you are, congratulations. I hope at least now you can speak little bit.
Yeah. Anybody from Team Elysian who would like to, who want to share something about their journey? Any one of the team members?
I would like
Akka,
to.
maybe I'll go. Okay,
Yeah.
Armana's there.
Yeah, Shastika, go.
No, you can.
Both Arman and Sastika, you came in, but both of you left.
Okay, Akka, maybe I'll share. Yeah, so this is the third hackathon, I guess, for me in this year. So I'm feeling really elated for having the for winning the best innovative idea. So with all inputs of both the seniors, like I was like our team was able to make it through, and really professionally, I was able to shape myself as a very better individual with all the inputs. And I was also admiring the like coordinate how things were coordinated throughout. It was of really great standards, and it was of so much of like inputs I personally received from this hackathon. So thanks for the organizers and thanks for selecting us.
So will you be implementing this idea in future, which will help India?
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes, we got that.
Arman, if you could turn on your video, if it is possible, you can do it. If not, no issues.
Yes, sure. So we have already got the timeline ready. So we'll be working on it continuously, not just stopping here because we won it, but work day and night from now to accomplish and bring this to the startup. Thank you so much to the organizing team.
Okay.
Yes, thank you, Team Elysian, and hearty congratulations from our side to you, and all the very best for your future endeavors. Ravi sir, we are moving on to the second runner-up of the Yugam India Ideathon 2021, co-sponsored by MyCamo.
Hey, Bob.
Bharat?
Yeah, congratulations, Orion Dreams, team number 3, the second runner-up of this Yugam India Ideathon. Hearty congratulations.
Thank you, sir. This is our first Ideathon we ever joined, and I didn't expect this, but I'm in total shock right now, and I'm so very happy. Thanks for your.
Kripa, if you could turn on your video and maybe show us your expression in a live way, if it is
Yeah,
possible.
1 second, just a minute. Hello, am I visible?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, thank you so much. I never thought this would be like this, despite of being my first ideathon, I didn't know I would crack it so well. I'm so happy that you guys gave me this opportunity. I would like to thank the judges and the mentors who helped us. So thanks, and my teammates Kisar Basha and Prashant. Thank you so much, guys.
Congratulations, team Orion Dreams. So happy to hear you talking all happy and thing. So, Ravi Shankar sir, thank you so much for announcing the best innovative idea and the second runner-up. So, Venkat sir, moving on to the next team. It is the team who secured first runner-up place. So, it would be great if you could announce it.
Sure. Okay, congratulations, SRM innovators. So very nice to see that your first runner-up and team number 85. Congratulations again, SRM innovators. Can somebody from the team speak up now? Is anyone there from the team?
Yes, sir. The whole team is over here, sir.
Oh, excellent, man. So we just wanted to, how are you feeling?
So we are surprised.
Very proud, sir.
Can you please turn on your video if possible? We would
Yes,
love to
sure.
see.
Sure, ma'am.
Hello, hi. Yeah, sure.
Hi.
Hello everyone. We are really, a little bit blessed. I mean, feeling nervous and excited
Super
and
At
blessed
the
nervous.
same
for
time,
having
ma'am.
this.
We
Yeah,
didn't
so
we didn't expect that.
yes, thank you so
Okay.
much. And
Thank you so much for
we
the
got
opportunity, sir.
really good support from our mentor Raghuvandan Anna, and he is such a support, great support.
He's
And
the backbone of the winning of this competition. First runner up.
On
Yes,
every
yes.
stepping stone, he guided us.
Which SRM campus are you guys from?
Chennai.
SRM Chennai, Katangala.
Katangala
Susu.
All right. Okay.
We are in the first semester, first year.
And
First year
we
students.
actually gave it a shot, like why not, because there was this ad coming up, and then we worked so hard, like we didn't sleep for the past 3 days, and you can find that on our faces. So yeah, we feel really happy. Thank you
We are,
so
we are
much.
very happy
Thank you
and
so much, sir.
surprised right now. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Great.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so happy to see you guys happy faces. And Raghuvandanan, I think so you should be very proud. They're like super appreciating you. Do you want to say something, Raghu?
Uh, on behalf of all the organizers, I would like to speak now. So we just did a job that is to guide you and help you go through the path. It was nothing new. It was our job, and that's what we did. And this also came as a surprise to me. So thank you guys were the best, and y'all came to me when y'all had doubts and all. So thank you for keeping me that approachable. And the idea was very good. It should be implemented in the near future, and that's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anna.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank you so much, mentor.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
welcome.
Congratulations, Team SRM Innovators. So happy for you. So, moving on to the most interesting, awaiting, and exciting part of Yugam India Ideathon in association with Forge, co-sponsored by Mike Camu. We are going to see who's the team who are winning this Yugam India Ideathon 2021. So, I don't think so. We can't delay it any further. Venkat sir, shall we go for the winner team?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, congratulations, Atmanirbhar Brains from Kasaragod Institute of Technology, Pune. Okay, they are the team number 56. They are the winners. Congratulations again, and and really happy to see you guys here as a winners. Happy congratulations. Is anyone from the team?
Yes, sir. Soham?
Can we see them on screen?
Yeah, we wanted to see you guys on the screen.
Hello.
Hello, Soham, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Please switch on your video. Hello, Soham.
Hello.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Soham. I would also like to thank him because being a diploma student, like here, it is really tough to win like this much a big competition. So thanks a lot, Soham. Thanks a lot, everyone, the organizers. Special thanks to our mentor and all the organizers. You did a great job. This was a really success event. It was not expected for us, but yeah, we are happy. Yeah, so anything you want to say?
So good, man. You have a great team to help you guys yourself, and then reach out over here as a winner.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Congratulations again.
Yes,
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Soham, do you want to share something?
Yeah, I want to share. This was our very first ever ideathon. We never participated in such a long competition before, and the things, the iTools and all was a really new concept for all of us. But we did it completely, and the mentor Sri Ram sir, he guided us in a very good manner. I would like to thank him also. Thank you.
Have a great weekend. Have a great day with all the success. I think you guys are very upbeat now, right?
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank
Thanks everyone.
I strongly feel that there is no boundary in hunting such kind of talent and encouraging the talent by conducting these kind of events. I definitely feel like Kumaraguru College of Technology will always conduct these kind of events in future. For building the for bringing the talent and encouraging them to build the nation. No doubt about it. And the pandemic is not a barrier at all at this point of time. And you guys are really made it. Thank you very much, and congratulations to winners and first runners and other teams, and hearty congratulations to other participants as well who really made this event successful.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, team Atma Nirbhar Brains. So happy for you all, and all the very best for your future endeavors. So I once again congratulate all the teams who made it till the final round. This is definitely not the end. I'm pretty sure you guys can do more and achieve more. So, and I thank our chief guest, Mr. Venkat. Thank you so much for joining with us today and making this end of the event a great one, sir. Thanks again. Thanks for making your time. It was such a short notice, yet you managed to make time for us. Thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you.
And Ravi Shankar, sir, thank you so much for your patience. You stayed with us, you connected with us with all due patience, and then you guided us in choosing the best team. Thank you so much for your support, sir. Really looking forward for your support in future also.
Sure, thank you so much, and thank you all. Well organized. Thank you, Bharat, and thank you, Sukrita, for all the coordination timely, and all the best for your succeeding years Yugathon. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. So the participants, the winners who got away with the cash prizes, you'll be getting a form link wherein you have to submit the details. We'll be mailing it to you soon, or you'll be getting the messages in the teams. Just wait for the announcements. I once again thank all the participants for joining with us, and all the very best.
Excuse me.
Thank you, Sukita. Thank you very much.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming, sir.
Yeah, sir, ma'am, I would also like to thank you, Bharat sir, and also you, Sukirta ma'am, because and all other organizers, but you both were the face of the organizers. So like organizing such a big event, like waking up all the night doing the things. Yeah, there were few delays, but we can understand it, like why there were delays. So thanks a lot and hats off to you both. And we are seeing more such more events in the future. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Pressure. That was so kind of you. Thank you.
Should I leave, Miss Sukita?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for joining.
Thank you very much. All right. Take care. Bye bye.
All the participants can leave the meeting. We'll come back with the form link. I request all the organizers to stay back in this meeting.